Hi and good morning. I just got out of the shower and I shampooed and conditioned my hair this morning, and I wanted to talk about some of the products I'm using to rebuild some of the damage that has been done to my hair. I have some other content involved with talking about this issue because about 2.5 or almost 3 years ago now, my hair started falling out, shedding, and also had a lot of breakage. And I know a lot of you had a similar experience. It could be a result from stress or from illness, or also issues with aging and DNA. That's also a factor as well. But it was quite a surprise for me and I didn't really know what to do. And this year I'm really focusing heavily on trying to repair some of that damage and get some of the growth to come back. So today I wanted to talk about the products that I've been using to start dealing with fixing the actual broken hair strands and protecting them. So we see there's so many bonding products and some of them are super pricey. I have several and I wanted to start with the ones that I started using in January. It's been a month and a half now and I started using the OGX bonding Plex. I used number 1, which is the shampoo, and number 2, the conditioner. I found them to be so useful and really great at making my hair feel much thicker and protected. It was quite a surprise. So far I've been pretty happy with the results. This is a 3-step system. It has another product to it, but I can't for the life of me find it. It's just a after product that you put in your hair before you do any hair drying or styling. But I found that the shampoo was just so thick and creamy and really washed my hair very well and not left any type of residue. I really enjoy that so much with the shampoo. It smells nice. It's sulfate free. I love the shampoo so much. Also the conditioner. The conditioner is so thick and creamy, and this is probably the one that is doing the most of the two because you have it sit in your hair for about 3 to 5 minutes and it just really conditions your hair really well. I love it so much that I went and found another one, and if I find any more at TJ Maxx, I'm going to pick them up. It's been a month and a half, so I'm right here at the shampoo with the conditioner. I don't think you can see it, but I'm right there because I use way more conditioner than shampoo. I love OGX products anyway, so I was really searching for the bonding products that they have, and they were very difficult to find. I can find them on Walmart's website, Amazon's website, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, and Home Goods. They were available at those places and they're only about $5. If you can't find the bonding shampoo and conditioner, they already have the biotin and collagen line, and it's a very good dupe for the two of those. They have similar ingredients. I think it's the cysteine that's in the bonding, but it also has hydrolyzed protein, and this has the protein as well. It just doesn't have the cysteine, so I'm not sure how much that makes a difference, but I found that the biotin and collagen line makes your hair also very thick and full feeling. I'm just gonna quickly dry my hair. So here's my hair dried without any additional product. After I do this video, I'm going to add some oil to tame down the frizzies and then comb through my hair. I usually add in a step before I dry my hair just for protecting, but I just want to talk about using these bonding shampoos and conditioners and how it felt afterwards, because I did notice the very first time I used the shampoo and conditioner, my hair did feel thicker. And that really surprised me because I just figured it was like any other shampoo and conditioner. It just feels a little bit nicer, but the thickness was what surprised me a lot. And this is, again, the first time I've ever used any type of product that says this is a bonding product. I know there's super higher end products for bonding like Olaplex, which I have and I'm going to be also trying out, but I wanted to start with something that costs a lot less because a lot of us can't afford something like Olaplex or beyond. They're very pricey and it's something that you have to keep up with, and it's not necessarily the most cost efficient product to be using. But this year I really want to focus on trying to find out if I can heal some of these strands that are breaking. And even though I noticed my hair did feel a lot fuller and I really liked the result, it wasn't until the other day I did a short video where I was doing a hair massage, an oil hair massage, and showing what I do, a nightly routine, because I'm trying to stimulate my scalp for better hair growth. And it's also like really relaxing and it helps you just feel better before you're going to bed. But what what I saw was the back of my head in the video, and I'll show you really quick here, but the back of my head, my hair looked so much fuller. It normally is very scraggly looking. It's February, so especially in the winter when our humidity is really low, my hair just does not have a full look to it. And for some reason, the only thing that is different is my shampoo and conditioner, and it definitely made my hair a little bit fuller. So I'm recommending, if you can get your hands on this product, to try it and see if it has a similar result for you. If you find the number 3 anywhere, can you let me know? I'm trying to find it. I do want it if it's not like an outrageous price. I'm just going to finish up the shampoo and the conditioners, and then I'll be trying out another bonding system that is really like something very strong like Olaplex, because I have the whole kit, and also Amika. And I found another system that also has been recommended, and it's a bit on the lower price range. So I think I'm going to go through lower and higher and see if any of them are as good as the higher range versions. If you're interested, just subscribe, because I have a lot more content coming up involved with this issue, and I'm also having some videos about getting the hair to actually regrow, and that's a really big one for me and a big subject as well. And I already did a video about what I eat internally to help my hair and help with the issue with it being not just breaking off, but the shedding and the falling out. So if you want to check out that video, I'll have that linked next.